In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your pages as a PDF. So with Pages, that's a little different compared to Word and other apps. So for Mac, what you want to do is make sure you have your document done and finished, and you're at the point where you want to save it or export it to a PDF. This is how you would go about doing it. So make sure you have it selected. Go over here to the top left corner here where it says Pages and File and all that stuff. Go to File and go to export to, and you're going to have some options here. So this is going to bring up an export window, and what you can do is just choose PDF. I don't really mess with some of these options here, and all you have to do is hit save, and then it's going to ask you where do you want the file to go, where do you want it to be saved at, what you want to call it, just like any other file here, and hit export. And then once you are done, you have it here, and you see it has exported as a PDF, as you see on the thumbnail of it right here. So that is it. That's how you saving or exporting your pages as PDF files. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.